sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue 17 of Legends of Ferrari F1, the die-cast 1/24 scale model collection, brought to you by our good old mates at DeAgostini, folks. Now, if you'd like to grab this, collect these along with me, head over to this link. That'll take you to the website, folks. There's a clickable version below in the description, and you too can own this wonderful collection. Now this week we got the Ferrari F399 from 1999, driven by Eddie Irvine, folks. Yes, steady Eddie, good old Eddie. Let's have a quick looky-loo at the magazine. This says in 99, Rory Byrne took the F300 and created a fast, reliable and aerodynamically improved race car. There you go. Schumacher had been sidelined at that point due to an accident at Silverstone. So yeah, there you go. There's Eddie coming round the corner there, looking mean and menacing. There's the rear end there of the Ferrari, and the nose there, the high nose, slightly curved at the end. It was also combined with a V profile. There you go. A matter of millimetres. Yeah. There you go. Again, slightly raised off the ground there, I notice, on these ones. But a very distinctive looking Ferrari of that era, I must admit. There's Eddie Irvine there and Mika Salo, who stood in for Michael back in the day. There's some details there on the Ferrari there, and a bit more there on Eddie. Loads of blurb in these magazines, so give these a chance, folks. There's some facts there on Eddie, date of birth, nationality, all of that lot. And then you've got a profile there of Baldessari. There you go. So there you go, folks. That's the magazine done. Let's bung the model on the bench and we'll have a looky-loo, shall we? And there you go. Look at that. Eddie Irvine's 1999 Ferrari 399, folks. So let's get this out the case. Get rid of the vacuum form and then we'll have a looky-loo around the car. And there you go, folks. Look at that. Aye. And again, you can see the differences beginning to creep in. Although from the top she looks boxy, you got your exhausts coming out. When you look at the side there, you can see this huge dip or sculpt or scoop out of the side of the car, just to send the air around and underneath and out through the diffuser. Got your cameras on the top there and your barge balls coming in. Again, nice low rear wing. And you're seeing driver protection now. You're seeing these side parts creeping up just to try to protect the driver's head with big thick cushioning and things like that. But again, look at the end plates of the front wing there with all the different weather vanes on there, aero vanes. Then obviously you've got all your antennas popping out. So yeah. Little pigot tubes and things like that. Nice elegant front wing there. I've got all the different elements going up. I've got obviously your end plane all aeroed and got fins on them and all of that gubbins. Loads and loads of stuff going on around it, but it's just beautifully done again. There's the bib. Currently a bane of contention in F1, if you've been watching the news. Yeah, the bib, the movable bib. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful example. And yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Absolutely stunning. Minus its tobacco advertising there. Back in the day, you used to have a lot of tobacco advertising on the cars, but they now remove all of that on models and that, which, yeah, certain Grand Prix venues wouldn't allow it, so they used to have to change all the liveries on the cars. And yeah, it's just progress, isn't it? Absolute progress. So yeah, absolutely stunning car when you look down on a Again, look how far back these have become now. You know, in previous cars, these intakes were, you know, pretty much where the driver's knees would be. Everything's moved back, and yeah, the centre of gravity is moved almost. But you can just get a feel for the car. They're very torpedo-like, isn't she? Almost looks like something you could throw at a dartboard, you know. But and again, the groove tyres were a thing. They started off with 3 grooves on the front, then went to 4. And then obviously it went back to full slicks in the end over time. And again, the high nose there almost looked like walrus teeth poking down, holding the wings on. So yeah, it was different times, wasn't it? Different things got tried. Different regs came in. Big old diffuser there on the rear end there. But it's surprising. And again, underneath the floor there, you got the plank. And you've got minimal veins going on under there, folks. But yeah, they certainly did their job. Beautiful, beautiful example of a beautiful, beautiful manufacturer's car, because, yeah, what more can you say? It's a Ferrari, folks. It's Eddie Irvine. And, yeah, it was 100 years of Fiat there on the back there. But it's, yeah, and it was 1999, folks, pre-millennium. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful example there, folks. If you'd like to add this to your collection, folks, then head over to this link all the way along there. Pop. There's a clickable version in the description below. You could take out a subscription and join me in admiring these wonderful, wonderful, iconic cars. Also, to help me out, click the little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. Really helps me channel grow, and I'm immensely grateful. Whilst you're there, ring the bell and select all to be notified of future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Bye-bye for now. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.